Hi, my name is Vance. I'm a sales rep at Midstate Equipment in Janesville, Wisconsin, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a mower deck on a John Deere X700 series tractor. Okay, first step, you're going to raise your deck to the transport position. You're going to release all 4 scalp wheels. Turn your height dial to deck removal, which is at 6 o'clock. You're going to lower your deck down all the way to the ground. Release the spring-loaded rod in the rear of the deck. Remove the front drag link. Raise the PTO shaft all the way up. Back up to get a couple inch running start. Push down on the differential lock and drive over the top. To reattach your mower deck, you're going to square up the rear end of the tractor to the front of the mower deck. Keep your PTO shaft raised all the way up and back over the top. You will hear the spring-loaded rod click in and engage. After that, you're going to attach your front drag link. You're going to raise up your mower deck to your cutting height and reset your scalp wheels. Those are the steps to remove and install a shaft-driven drive-over deck for a John Deere X700 series garden tractor. No need to get down on your hands and knees and fumble around trying to line up and connect your drive shaft. Just drive over, click in, and you're mowing.